What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, as the title says, we are showing you our brand new project car. This is going to be Thomas's build on the channel, so let's go ahead and show you. Tell the G35 enthusiasts what project car we're going to be working on.
Their favorite car of all time. The BMW E46 325i.
Oh snap.
I've had it 4 years. And I'll make it go fast.
2003 BMW 325i. Wait. Most important question. Is it manual?
The owner's manual's in the glove box.
Is it manual, the car?
Yeah, the owner's manual. It's in the box. Yeah, it's in the glove box. Alright.
How could you do that to us? Your brother gave you the car.
Yes.
So that's why you didn't get to choose if it was stick or not.
Yeah.
Okay. So it was a gift. He couldn't choose whether it's automatic or manual. So don't roast him in the comments. He would have chosen manual, I'm sure of it, hopefully. This is an exciting project because it's Thomas's car. He's had it for like a couple years, never really tinkered with it, and until now, I finally told him, and I convinced him. All right, so what are E46s known for?
Rust prevention.
Which is also called oil leaks. What are we doing?
We're doing serpentine belts, both of them. There's two. Oil change. We're doing a coolant flush with the thermostat. Thermostat's bad on the car right now. Auto tensioner while we're in there with the belts. The idler pulley, if we manage to get this done without killing ourselves. The oil filter housing gasket. Okay, so that's all we're doing in maybe a two-part video depending on how long it all takes. We're excited to start working on this car. I mean, it's a cool addition to the channel, something different. Obviously it's not JDM. I literally know nothing about BMWs, so Thomas is gonna be helping me understand BMWs, and also he's gonna be doing a lot of the talking and all the finicky stuff that I don't personally know. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and start with the BMW, so let's tear into it. Yeah. The crack is right there. So now I need a new water pump pulley. So now you have to remove the pulley, go to O'Reilly's, get a new one. Yeah. And that's where we're at. And we've only worked on this car not even 5 minutes. Alright guys, a little update. Thomas went ahead and went to O'Reilly's right now to get the pulley for the water pump. Right now I'm going ahead and putting this corrugated tubing on the wires right here just to not have them exposed. I'm going to go ahead and wrap them with electrical tape, and I'm going to do this one as well. Hey, it's Master Tech Mike! I'm a Master Tech!
I think it looks way better than it did before, but we need to find out. Mike!
Yes?
I need your Master Tech advice.
Oh.
Is this up to Master Tech spec?
Master Tech spec. This looks like Master Tech spec, yeah.
Fuck yeah!
Oh no, because I'm a Master Tech.
So this is the water pump pulley that Thomas ended up breaking, and it was just plastic. So he went ahead and got an aluminum one, and this one is a little bit heavier, but not too crazy.
Joe.
Huh?
I found the last bolt for the auto tensioner.
Where is it?
It's
Oh my god!
Right?
Dude! Stop! That's not okay! That's not... Oh my...
It's right there. Right? There. You see now? It's right there. So here's the auto tensioner, the old one. It's pretty clean.
Dude, that is...
For being 17 years old, I mean, it's not that bad.
That's so caked on. Okay, and then we have the new one right here, which is...
There's no rust prevention on that, Joe.
We need more oil leaks.
Pretty long drain plug.
What the fuck? Why?
To prevent oil leaks, dude.
Kind of ironic, don't you think? Thomas, why are there two gaskets? Wait, is it supposed to have two?
No.
So there was two on here for no reason?
Double the protection.
No wonder your car leaks oil. Goombas work on it.
It leaks everywhere besides the oil filter.
Interesting.
Now it's gonna leak so bad.
Okay, who did the last oil change?
I don't remember.
No, that was you. That was you. All right, guys. So that's gonna be all for this video. This is the first video on the E46. This is Thomas's build, of course, but I'm gonna be helping out, and obviously, you know, we're gonna be switching back and forth. G35 videos will still be happening on the channel. This is just another build that we're gonna add on to the channel. If you're a G35 enthusiast, trust me, there's gonna be plenty of content, and I have a couple plans for the G35 as well. Next video will be the part 2 of this E46 maintenance, you know, catching up to the car. Leave a like if you're excited for this E46 build, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.